We got some really great news today. Our van is finally ready to be picked up from Mercedes. It's been 45 days. Today marks 45 days. We're in Montana, and it took 45 days for our van to get fully repaired after multiple delays and transitioning from one body shop to Mercedes dealership. And if you saw our previous video, you'll know that we're in this situation 45 days in Billings, Montana, is because we hit a deer on the way over to Yellowstone. We're super excited to be reuniting with our van again today, and let's go pick it up. It's a bittersweet moment for us to be finally getting our van back after such a long time. I'm heading over to Mercedes of Billings right now to check out the van, and I need to clean up this rental car too. Got a bunch of stuff in the trunk, and then I'm going to return the car back to Enterprise. I'm going to also take my one wheel with me that I have in the van so that I can one wheel back to the van, which it's not too far from where Enterprise is. There she is. Finally got our van back. And it looks like it's in perfect condition. Like nothing happened. The van's a mess right now. We gotta clean up. Gotta grab all the stuff from the rental, put it back in, put the car seat back in here, and we'll drop off the rental car back at Enterprise. Right now I'm just moving everything over. We gotta put the car seat back already, and then whatever else I gotta do to clean up the van. The rental car, and then we're gonna go return it. Yeah, we got some cleanup to do here. Once we're done, we drive back to the Airbnb, and then we'll finish cleaning up the van. All right, I moved everything over. I'm gonna grab my one wheel, and I'm gonna go return this car. So I didn't need to take the one wheel back because they offered me to ride, so it's kind of hot today, so ride it again next time. We're finally back in the van, baby. I'm gonna pick up some lunch first for Rena, and then I'm gonna head back to the Airbnb. We're thinking maybe tonight, after dinner, after we make dinner at the Airbnb, we're gonna move everything back into the van here, and then we'll probably sleep in the van tonight, so we don't have to bother with moving all the things in the morning to check out. And then tomorrow the idea is to maybe buy something first, go to Walmart or Costco, stock up a little bit, and then we'll be on our way. I just got back to the unit and dropped off the food for Rena. And one more thing that I want to do before we leave Billings is to do a tire rotation. That's been a little bit overdue, so got a little time now. We'll get that taken care of, and then we'll be on our way. I just got done with the tire rotation. It took about an hour. Surprising thing is they didn't charge me. This is the first time doing a tire rotation and there's no charge. I think they want to kind of build their brand a little bit. But shout out to Tire-O-Rama for doing the tire rotation for free. Tonight's a little bit hectic. We're just gonna do some takeout from earlier. Spencer's eating some yogurt with blueberries and honey, and yeah, I ate some drums because we're just packing up to get ready to go back into the van. Is the yogurt good? Hi. Blueberries. Yogurt. There's some yogurt fries. How does it taste? Good, right? Corn in the yogurt. We moved back into the van, so we're gonna be parking at the Auto Auctions of Montana tonight, the body shop that worked on our van. They have a truck lot which has an electric outlet, so we'll be able to plug it in for tonight, and we'll be checking out of our Airbnb here early, and we'll be sleeping in the van tonight, back in our own beds. we're back at where we've been for the first 3 weeks. We'll be staying here for one more night. We are back in the van. We're gonna be sleeping here tonight. So I'm gonna end the video here. We're so happy that we got our van back today. It's in proper working order, no issue so far. Hopefully there's no issue when we start hitting the road. And we need to plan where we will be going. Initially the thought is gonna continue what we initially wanted to go, which is Yellowstone, and make our way north. But let's check the temperatures, check the climate to make sure it's still ideal at this time of year, because we were supposed to go more than a month ago. So things have changed. The Rockies are very cold. So let's see if it's still a good time to go to Yellowstone. All right, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.